Hey fam, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be adding our names on our matching PJs that we purchased from Children's Place. And I'm going to start off with the names and I'm going to mirror them, so once it cuts out, it will cut out the correct way. Stay tuned. So on this part, I'm going to switch it to vinyl. So once I cut it out, it will be on the correct settings. So now I'm going to push the arrow so that the mat can go into the machine, and then I'm going to click on the C. That means that it's time to cut. And before you do this, make sure you have the vinyl facing down. If not, it's not going to come out the correct way. It's going to cut the wrong way. So make sure it's facing down. I'm trying to keep it steady. I was using one hand to record and the other hand to weed out the names. I'm so sorry.